Welcome to day 6. And today's day is also completely about shopping because today we are going to Chatu Chak, which is supposed to be for shopping. Hence the overly comfortable clothes. So let's go.
Americano. Joa, Joa, Joa.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the recap of day 6 in Thailand. So, today again, it was a shopping day, and we went to Chatuchak Market in the morning. Now, the thing is, to reach Chatuchak Market, you have two MRT stations, which is Chatuchak, and the other one is this. I cannot pronounce it for the love of God, but this is the name. You have to take exit number 2, and you can directly enter section 2, which is one of the coolest section. It has this amazing funky jewelry or funky t-shirts and shirts and so now our main motto to go to Chatu Chak was, you know, to go to the pet section. So the pet section is in Chatu Chak, but it is in a different area of Chatu Chak, a place you don't really visit a lot. You can buy really nice stuff for your pets over here. I bought a few dresses and toys, and it is all very affordable and at a good price. But yeah, that is all we did today. We just shopped. Anyways, we have one more day, which is probably going to be a packing day. But yeah, that was it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Morning. Wait, no, sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. It is around 2:10 in Bangkok right now, and as I said, we just packed both of our bags just to see if we can fit everything in here, and we can. So that is the good part. But we tried on some stuff we got from Chatuchak yesterday, and we liked it. So we are going back there again. But we will first have our lunch, and then we will head out by maybe around 4. So let's go. We are wearing Bangkok ka mal in Bangkok. And we want to shop more of it. So we are going again. She wants to say Genchana.
त्यांना कळलं
नाही त्यांना नाही कळलं. But we are back at Chatu Chak now. क्योंकि no self control. Only in Viviana we have self control. Okay, and welcome to the recap of our last day in Thailand. Technically, second last day, but tomorrow is our flight, and on day 7, as I told you guys at the very beginning of this video, it was just packing, and that packing has killed us because it is so difficult to pack your stuff. Even if you come here with like empty bags, you need a lot of self control. And this time we didn't even shop as much as the first time, but okay, what can we do? So today we basically just packed. Then we went to Chatuchak again. We packed and it was so difficult, and it is 2 a.m. right now, and I'm finally going to sleep. But yeah, that was it. Tomorrow we still have one complete day because my flight is at 10:15, in the night. So we have to reach the airport by like 6. So till then we have a lot of time, and we'll check out from the hotel at 12:30. So yeah, we still have a lot of time in Thailand, and I'm going to Siam again to get something. Okay, I'll tell you guys what that is in that part itself, but I'm hoping that I get it. So fingers crossed. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Good morning. And today is our last day. So we just got done with our packing, and we are about to check out in some time. We are kind of scared about the weight of our bags, but let's see. And after that, we'll probably just hang out around Siam or, Terminal 21, because those are like the closest malls or places we can go to. And then from there, we will be heading to the airport after buying what I want, which I told you guys yesterday as well. So let's see if I get it. I got Libit. Oh my god, I wanted this. Ah! She thinks I am dumb. But Libit! Go to Pop Mart just to look every time. Okay, not to buy anything, but we end up coming back with these. कुछ ना कुछ तो we take. It is a habit now, है ना मम्मा? Habit हो गई है. We are coming back, but my mother cannot live without her souvenirs. And we have so much stuff, yet she's buying 3 boxes of Thai tea right now. We are home, everyone. We'll talk tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, guys, so that was it for our Bangkok series, and actually, it is not tomorrow, it is quite a long time after that. And I know that this series was posted with like a very, very long period of time in between. But yeah, I hope to do another travel series really soon, and that one won't be like this. Okay, it will be posted at the right time. But to everyone who stuck around, thank you so much. And if you did like it or found it helpful as a first time travel to Bangkok, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.